Now we've used the starter we have on ground. We've used the starter we have on ground. Okay, the best thing to do now is to recoil the rope so that we can make use of the starter. Hey guys, welcome to another exciting time on Benco of Technical Studies. I was trying to put on this generator. Okay, actually we're trying to shoot a video for you guys. And unfortunately, oh no, not unfortunately, fortunately this went off. I think it's not unfortunate because we'll be using it for a tutorial, so I have to call it fortunate. Okay, fortunately this went off and we just needed to fix it. So what better way to fix it with you guys and know how we did it. All right, I'm sorry my voice is kind of cracked. I'm having something like a sore throat. I just hope you guys can manage what I have to offer today. I'm so sorry about that. All right, on today's class we are looking at a small "I better pass my neighbor" generator. That's what's popularly called in this part of the world. But the model is Sunshine SS 1500. Sunshine SS 1500. Okay, like I said earlier, we are trying to shoot videos, and because this is a particular generator we use in powering our place here, but somehow the rope just went off. So without further ado, I will quickly take off the tank with my 3-way spanner. Well, if you are new to generator repairs, you'll be wondering what set of tools or spanners you'll be needing for little practical classes like this. Okay, please just check the top of the screen. You will see a link to a video we shot some months back. That video will teach you in its entirety the various tools. The various must-have tools you can use for a portable generator like this. All right, we've taken the tank off. Next up, we take off the starter. You can see the generator is fairly new. Because the generator is less than 3 months to the job about. It's a fairly new generator. And I think this is the first time we'll be losing this starter. It's actually the first time we're taking off this starter. All right. Okay. The starter is so stuck here. Okay. I'm just trying to take off the remaining part of it. Well, should I still use this rope? This rope looks long enough. Anyway, I got a rope for this class, for this particular starter, because I actually felt since the rope is bad, there was need to change it entirely. But this rope is still fairly long, and I don't know, I'm just don't know. But I will ask the guys here. What we should do, if we should leave this rope, because the rope looks fairly okay, still very good. And I don't know. Let me ask them. What do you guys think? Should we change this rope, or we should just make do with what we have here?
I think to reduce cost, we can use the old rope.
Okay. He said to reduce cost, we can use the old rope. But actually this rope is very long and it still looks okay. Well, personally, I don't like changing things that comes with generator, especially when I feel it's still very much okay. So I'm just thinking, let me ask the other guy here too. What do you think? Should we change this rope outrightly, or we should make do with what we have here?
I feel we should still use the one we have.
Okay, well, I was just waiting for someone to air my thoughts anyway. The consensus here is we should use the rope we have. Okay, I think that's what I'll be doing. I'll just use the rope on ground. I'll use the rope on ground since it's fairly long and still have good tensile strength. I'll use the rope on ground. Okay, look carefully. This is how I lock my rope. Some people will just, I've seen other starter where they just go ahead and do it this way. Okay, they just tie it like this and they are done with it. But personally, this is what I do. I do it this way. I take this in again. Reason why I do this, it makes here a little bit bulky. When it's bulky, it doesn't go through this. It doesn't go through. Okay, let me fix it so you see it. Okay, when it's bulky, it doesn't go through this place. Okay, but when this knotting is light, sometimes when you pull it, the knotting and everything goes out from the starter handle. So that's the reason why I lock it off that way. Okay, now we've used the starter we have on ground. We've used the starter we have on ground. Okay, the best thing to do now is to recoil the rope so that we can make use of the starter. Okay, now what do we do next? We take this rope anti-clockwise while hooking it to this rubber pan. We take it anti-clockwise, going to the left side. Okay, after about 3 or 4 turns, depending on you, but I feel 3 turns is okay. I'm just trying to, reason I felt 3 turns is okay because of how strong this thing now is. What we've succeeded in doing is we've succeeded in revolving this rubber pan against the starter spring inside. And of course, the more you revolve, the more it becomes stronger. I feel it's already strong enough. I do not want to over revolve so I don't break the starter spring inside. Now, having revolved, I let it go out on this one. Okay. You see, I put it out a little and it's actually springy, but this is not what we really want. We want the entire rope to go back inside the starter. So we go anti-clockwise again, this time 3 times too. 1, 2, and 3. All right. See? All right, we've succeeded in fixing up the starter, the bad rope. Okay, up next we fix. Okay, you see now, we've succeeded in fixing up our bad starter. If you notice carefully, this is the other part of the rope that went off. What we did was we examined the rope and discovered it was still long enough and still look fresh. The other end still look fresh. And instead of using the new rope already bought, we decided to still make use of the old rope. So basically that is how you fix a starter with a bad cord. So we'll meet in our next class. It's goodbye from mine. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. If you are subscribed, congratulations. Turn on the notification bell so you see among the first to see our videos. And please do well to like this video. We understand YouTube take serious cognizance of those videos with high interaction rate, and as well drop your comments in the comment section so we can relate. So meet in our next class. It's goodbye from our end.